You're on energy approaching the hack.
Okay. Okay, about 7 seconds to a left-hand roll. Okay, 3, 2, 1. See, rolling to the left. A little inside. On the hack. Be on and on.
Coming up on the 180.
Atlanta, Houston, on at the 180.
Copy, on at the 180. Okay, coming up on 16,000 for MLS. $14,000. $12,000.
Atlanta, Houston, you are on at the 90.
Copy, on at the 90.
9,000. 8,000. There you go. 7,000. 6,000. Okay, 5,000. My radar's good, and your radar's good. I'm going to declutter down. 3,000. Speed brakes are moving. Okay, 2,000 pre-flare. The gear is armed. 1,000. 700. 600. 500. 400. You're down. Here comes the gear. You coming down on the ball bar. It's 100 feet. See the nose coming up. You can start setting it down. 3, 2, 1, touch. Here comes the chute.
Derotating.
Okay, touch. Standing by on the chute.
Ditch the chute. Wheel stop, Houston.
Welcome back. Congratulations. We have no immediate post-landing deltas.